Hi, it's Tim. We just built this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection system for our customer's 1967 Mustang Eleanor Gt 500. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block, has all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. We have the brass freeze plugs in there. Customer want the Kent Racing front sump oil pan. We installed that for the correct oil pan for the 67 Mustang. We have the oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, loop clamps all set up in place. We have the distributor set in place. These real nice red ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. 427 badges on there. Aluminum intake manifold, MSD ignition coil, Cobra valve covers, and matching air cleaner. This is the Holley Sniper fuel injection 2 system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, all set. We'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper Efi 2 system. It'll be all set for the customer. All the settings, we'll dial it in, we'll tune it, be ready to go, plug and play. We have the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission. He's running a 4R70W automatic transmission. So this proper flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure reading to 58.5 psi, recommended by Holley Efi system. Basically, customer will just hook up the fuel return right here to go back to the tank. That's it. We have all the Russell heavy duty lines, AN fittings all set up, ready to go. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. Chrome dipstick and tube all set. This is the polished Wraptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow aluminum water pump, lower hoses on the driver's side here, standard rotation water pump, coolant bypass hose, thermostats in there, thermostat housing, correct one on there, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. We'll even put the correct fitting on the back of the pump so he can put his original factory power steering line on there. It'll be all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We check for leaks. We go over extremely close. We set the ignition timing. We dial in the Holley Sniper Efi 2 menu screen, set all the settings, set the idle. So again, ready to go right out of the crate. This is our 427 Ford 540 horsepower going in 1967 Mustang Eleanor Gt 500. Thanks for watching.